Today I'm going to cover a very short video describing using the CT coil. This is what everybody actually always has some difficulty. So the CT coil looks a little like that. It's very important. It's actually for measuring the current flow. We're using it so we don't export power. This is actually a YHDC CT coil. And if you notice on the back of it, it has a number of markings. Most important marking, it says L and K. Now on a CT coil, the current flow runs from K to L, and in fact you'll actually see there's an arrow that actually shows you the flow from K to, you can see on my picture, from K to L, and there is another arrow there. So the important thing is that you fit it this way, so the feed comes in from the feed and it follows the arrow. So from the grid to the inverter is the arrow. You've got two connections here, a black and a white, and if you look at our manual, the black is actually marked down as negative and the white is actually positive, and that should be the correct way. I'll show you on a couple of the inverters where it connects to.